Okay, I love this alarm clock. First of all, let me say, it came with 3 pieces, this large piece, the cord, and then the wall adapter. I happen to have a lamp that has a USB port, so you can use that as either option, which I like the flexibility of that. It is incredibly easy to set this up. You set date, and it'll highlight, which one you want to do. You just use the plus or minus buttons, and then you hit it again. It'll move to the date, plus or minus, and then you can choose the year. Then you do the same thing, and then you wait, and it just automatically saves your settings, which I love. You can do your time the same way. You just hit plus or minus to scroll through to get the time, and you can also hit snooze or okay if that works. Setting your alarms is super easy. It comes with the instructions, but it's incredibly simple to get everything going. You can do a dimmer. You can also hit snooze, and it'll give you like a little night light, which is cute. I love that. And then let me go ahead and, and you can press it and it'll go dim. Let me turn the light off really quickly. And you hit power on the side here. And then let me scroll over here so I can see it. There we go. Look at it, like, projecting. It's actually backwards. How do I get it? How do I get it to go the right way? Let's see. That's interesting. Troubleshooting in real life. Oh, sweet. There you go. I just moved it forward and then move it backwards and then it shows. But that's kind of cute to just have it project so you can see it. But overall, I really enjoy this. Let me turn that off. With one click, I really enjoy this. You can see what day it is, the temperature, so you can help plan for clothing. You can adjust the dimness so that you don't have it being super bright while you're sleeping. And I love that this will help me not have to be on my phone at night or have to look at my phone to see what time it is. If my alarm's going to go off, I can just know it's right here. That's perfect for a sleep routine. This alarm clock is absolutely adorable. I didn't see if it came in any other colors. Looks like it just came in the black. It's incredibly lightweight. Doesn't really take up that much space. And this is just a little like janky cube organizer that I've had forever until I get like an actual nightstand. So it actually doesn't take up that much space. All in all, I really enjoy it. And I especially love having the freedom from having to be on my phone and the flexibility. So 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Display a luminosità massima, ma può andare da 1 a 5 l'intensità. Questa è la 5, questa è intensità 1, che al buio praticamente non dà fastidio. Così al 5 ed è molto intensa anche al buio. Qui praticamente c'è l'interruttore per accendere il laser e l'altro tasto dim per regolare l'intensità del laser, come per il display da 1 a 5, ma vi faccio vedere soltanto quella più intensa al buio. Già acceso. Che di notte è nitidissimo. Rapporto qualità-prezzo direi eccellente.
This is the projection clock. If you follow the instructions, it is super easy. You hit the date to change the date, you hit the time to change the time, and you just follow through and you hit it once for each section and the plus or the minus to change, hit it again to change on. And then it's got 2 different alarms. You can change the volume and the dim or Celsius and Fahrenheit. I like Fahrenheit. But it dims the clock real easy up and forward to let you know which level you're on of brightness. But this is the cool thing, the projection. My clock, I don't like it sitting on my nightstand because I have a big, not a whole lot of room. So it's kind of off to the side and it's hard to see sometimes. So this projection is going to be really cool. And you can turn it on or off, and also dim it up and down as well. And I will show you what that looks like on the ceiling. And the neat thing about the power button is you can switch it for either way, in case for whichever way you need to point the clock. So real cool.